Good evening to all and all. In the last class, we discussed about the robotics in the basics, how it can be operated, what is meant by pitch, RO, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what are the applications, that and all we will discuss in the class itself. Now, we want to ensure that some of the drawbacks in incorporated with the flexible manufacturing systems. It's nothing but robotics. In a simple way, the robot is used for only to reducing the manpower works. That's why we are going with the robotics arms. So the human is taking the material and keep loading and unloading. So in the process, it will take the much more time. That's why the production rate and the efficiency will be reduced. That's overcome to them. The robot is to implement it. This is called as, we simply say, arms that can be protected from the materials to there to another places. So that purpose we are using the robotics in our laboratories. What are the main disadvantages or drawbacks while operating for the robotics is, first of all, the tracking devices. Why? So number of materials traveling the path, so that can be a roughness to be created. It will not be formation in a smooth surface finishes. So number of times the workpiece is like that means it can be crack will be formed while transferring the material from two. So after that the gripper cannot be picked the material proper way. So another disadvantage is in the sense we are operating the three kind of axes like x-axis, y-axis and z-axis through the remote as what the TV remote will be followed, that can be established with this. So nowadays we can operating continuously, the buttons will be collapsed or damaged. So that is a major cases. And another cases, while we are connecting the arms with the respective of some board in the sense of like microcontroller or a microprocessor, whatever it is. So the connections is weekly once or monthly twice, we can ensure that the function is action to be done in the proper manner or not. It's depending on the display boards. Then only we can know the machinist can able to ready to operate in the services. Or otherwise, the system can be easily collapsed. Another main thing, the program knob. So whenever that can be pick and place it, so the joints will be a brokerage. Depending on the sensors or signals, it can be a damage in the systems. And another impact factor is temperatures. So it's we are maintaining the AC rooms or maintaining the some of the temperature to cool the devices. While summer seasons the power cut is happening while during these occasions, so the robots cannot be act properly. So the wire it may be to having a melting. So at the time, once the wire is melting in the sense of the entire system will be collapsed. So sensible wires are there. Not only that, so every touch-up is there. Another thing is, once the sensors can be sensing while traveling the material from the location to other locations, the sensor is not detected in the sense the tracking system will be stopped. While we increasing the speed in the sense of either it is going in x direction or going in the y direction or going in z directions. So we can easily modify the speeds while remote as well as the display boards. So at that time the gripper can suddenly focus on the devices, so it can be damaged to the system as well as the gripping point. At the time we cannot easily able to change the gripper as per the what we expect in the levels. So different kind of grippers also using mechanical comparator, Lycum grippers. N type of grippers are available. We are using the mechanical grippers. So this is the way to come and close the pieces and keep from one places to other places. While we are increasing the program speed, so suddenly it can be hit to the devices or in a bed, whatever. Sometimes human is there, it can be hit like as things. So far we discussing the drawbacks of the robotics. Next class, how we overcome that and all will be discussed in the next class. Thank you all.